Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to walk you through how to create a Zoom account. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is either download the account or go to your Safari and just type in zoom.com, and you can go ahead and make an account online or use the app. If you're going to use this a lot, I would recommend just having the app on your phone. To do that, you just go to the App Store and you can go ahead and just type in Zoom. Then it will come up right here. The first one, Zoom Cloud Meetings, and you can go ahead and download. I just did that, so I'm going to hit open, and it's going to go ahead and open the Zoom app. The first thing you want to do is hit now sign up, which is the bottom left-hand corner. Hit sign up. Then it's going to ask for your birthday, so go ahead and put that in now. Hit confirm. Then it's going to ask you for your email, your first and your last name. This is important to put the email that you usually get all your business from, or the email that you usually have associated with all of your accounts, just because people send Zoom invites to that email and it will just automatically upload here. So go ahead and put in the email and then your first and your last name here. And then go ahead and hit sign up. It's going to send an activation email to your email. Go ahead and hit on that. Here's mine. I'll go ahead and click on that. Hit activate account. It will bring me back to zoom.com. And this is where I can finish my account upload. It's going to ask me to now create a password and confirm that password. Accept the cookies. It's going to bring me to zoom.com where it's going to ask me to finish completing my new account. It's going to ask for the password now and to confirm that password. So go ahead and do that now. Then it's going to ask you, are you signing up on behalf of a primary or secondary K through 12 institution? You can hit yes or no depending on your situation. For most cases, it's going to be a no, and hit continue. All right, and now it's going to ask you if you want to invite any colleagues. You can go ahead and skip that now, or if you want to invite somebody, you can go ahead and put those names in here, and then hit I am not a robot, and then skip these steps. And there you go. It wants you to test to make sure that your computer is allowing audio and visual. You can do that by hitting start new meeting, start meeting now right here, and it will go ahead and test that out. Otherwise, you can hit go to my account. Once you're here, you're basically done setting up your account. The last thing to do is just, add the personal touch of putting a photo here. All you have to do is hit change, and you can go ahead and upload a photo right here and hit save once you're done, and you're good to go. If you guys have any questions on this, let us know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.